Hello all, welcome back to the channel. This is Katonya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. I welcome you. We're going to do a stretch break today. So let's take it down to the floor, shall we? Okay. We're going to roll down. We're going to be focusing on quads. We're going to work on the back. And we're going to hit a little bit of the shoulders. So let's roll down. On your back, you can do this in your bed as well. We're just going to start by a little windshield wipers, knees gently side to side, relaxing as you do this, moving with the flow of your breaths. Feels so good. I'm glad you're taking time out for you because that is important to do so you can be healthy, rejuvenated, and refreshed. Okay, one more. Good, and release. And now we're going to go into a nice bridge, scooping up from the sacrum, low back, mid back, upper back. Give a good squeeze of those glutes. Slowly lower one vertebrae at a time with the breaths and scooping up. Moving with the flow of your breaths. Slowly down. Two more. Scoop up. Feel the floor with your feet. Back down. Last one. Up. Should feel good. And slowly down. And we're going to hug those knees in. If you need to, do one knee at a time. And gently pull in or pump, alternating, whatever's good for you. Squeezing it in. Now my favorite, rocking side to side, massage the spine. Hold those abs in. And then we're going to let go and take it around town, circling the knees, abdominals in tight. And reverse direction for 4, 3, and 1. Yum. Releasing. Scooch to your side. And we're going to get those quads. Get a little bit of the arm. Let's lift the top leg up. Gently press back the bottom knee. Just bring it in a little bit, maybe 90 degrees. Pressing back. Squeeze your butt. Yum. And just pull the knee in gently forward or towards the armpit, wherever you're comfortable. Pressing back again and see if you can grab the ankle or you can use a strap and just stretch the front of the thigh. Feel that. Oh yes. Squeeze the buttocks. That's a big stretch. Good. Hold and release. Relax that leg in the front. Straighten out the bottom. And let's take the top arm up. Make your little pillow with your arm. Take it back. You can flex the elbow if you like. Oh, that's good. That is good. Ah, feel the stretch in the front of the chest. You may feel a little bit in the back and hips as well. And bring it back in. Wow, right? Now come on up. You can turn over or you can flip like me. Keep my eye on you. And we'll do the other side. So you're going to make your pillow. Top leg is up. Press it back. Squeeze your buttocks. Excellent. And let's bring the knee into the front gently as far as you're comfortable. Then we'll press it back again. And this time maybe grab that ankle. You don't have to. You can just press back is fine. Squeeze the buttocks, abdominals in. Wow, what a stretch in the front of that thigh. Getting some hip flexors. And releasing in the front. Straighten the bottom leg. Top arm up and back. You can flex that elbow if you like. Relax into that stretch. And bring it front. Awesome. Bring the knees in, pressing up. All right. Great job. Hope you benefited. Hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing that and do share with others. And head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com because now we offer memberships. Yay. All right. I'll see you soon. Peace and love. Ta-ta.